In this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best subwoofers in this year. I made this list based on products' features, online popularity, consumers' reviews, brand reputation, prices and more. I've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Panasonic RF2400D Tabletop Radio. The Panasonic RF2400D is one of the least difficult tabletop radios on our rundown. It centers simply around AM, FM usefulness, and it does it well. This radio highlights an enormous, 4-inch speaker close by the AM, FM station tuner. You can tune the radio with the enormous tuning handle on the radio, just as control the volume. You additionally get a 3.5mm sound jack to connect earphones for private tuning in. This basic plan leaves out the entirety of the fancy odds and ends for dependability and ease of use. The Panasonic is additionally a radio with great gathering inside and outside, making it overly adaptable. You can control the Panasonic RF2400D with either 4 AA batteries or with the included AC power link that connects to the divider. We were satisfied with the general battery life when utilizing AAs. The AM, FM tabletop radio will handily last a whole outdoors trip, in addition to additional, which is one reason it's the best convenient radio for outdoors. Generally radio execution is magnificent, particularly with regards to AM signal, due generally to the ferrite reception apparatus. There were a few events when the FM signal was more fragile than we expected, yet this didn't occur frequently and didn't make a negative encounter during standard use. Number 2. Sanjian WR11 Wood Cabinet Tabletop Radio. The principal thing stands apart about the Sanjian WR11 is its exemplary wood bureau plan. It's one of our number 1 parts of this radio, and not on the grounds that it looks great. The pecan completed material likewise improves the sound nature of this radio through its inborn acoustic properties. The AM, FM tuner is enormous and simple to peruse, making generally activity a lot simpler. All the dials are likewise enormous and simple to utilize. The best part about the dials is the LED tuning pointer on the tune dial. It illuminates when you're getting the best gathering, so you'll generally have the best listening experience. While the Sanjian WR11 doesn't offer much in the method of additional highlights, you do get a few outside associations with use on the back on the radio. These associations incorporate an earphone jack, 3.5mm assistant information and a record out jack for interfacing the radio to recording gear. The radio likewise sounds extraordinary. It's a standout amongst other sounding simple tabletop radios on our rundown, in spite of the fact that it can get somewhat bass substantial on occasion. With its solid sign and exemplary plan, the Sanjian WR11 is the extraordinary compared to other AM, FM tabletop radios on our rundown. Number 3. Sounddance SDY019 Tabletop Radio. While the facts confirm that you get what you pay for with regards to sound items, you actually get an incredible sound involvement in the spending Sounddance SDY019. We were intrigued with the general sound that this sound system radio could yield. It's reasonable and fresh, and the bass upgrading innovation really does ponders for the radio's more profound sounds. You can play music from AM, FM stations, cell phones through Bluetooth, aux link and even SD cards. The Sounddance's plan is smooth and current, which makes it simpler to show in the more visual regions in our home. You get an unmistakable advanced LED show, with catches on the highest point of the radio that you use to work the gadget. While having less fastens is useful for plan, it can in some cases make for muddled procedure on the Sounddance, particularly thinking about the number of capacities this radio can perform. Nonetheless, with some perusing of the directions, this misfortune is effectively survived. With everything taken into account, for a spending tabletop radio, the Sounddance SDY019 is a superb expansion to our rundown. Number 4. Tivoli Audio Model 1 Tabletop Radio. The Tivoli Audio Model 1 is a retro tabletop radio with both AM and FM usefulness with amazing gathering on the 2 frequencies. Indeed, during our testing, we found that the Tivoli offered the best gathering of any choice on our rundown. This is to a great extent because of the discrete AM, FM reception apparatus incorporated straightforwardly with the radio's inside segments. You even have the alternative of interfacing an outer FM receiving wire for shockingly better gathering over longer separations. This tabletop radio additionally offers one of the most precise tuning encounters on this rundown. Its enormous tuning dial is anything but difficult to turn precisely, and the radio incorporates an LED pointer that discloses to you when you're getting the best gathering for the station you're tuning to. With regards to sound quality, the Tivoli Audio Model 1 is shockingly amazing, particularly thinking about the mono speaker driver. Sound can battle a piece at higher volumes, however it's general great.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video. If you found the video helpful, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.